Good morning to teachers and also to all our little friends here. We are very happy and excited to see you here. This is the first time that kindergarten children can visit here.
Kids from Tadika Bahagia, naik bus pagi-pagi, la 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 la, to Forest Department Sarawak. Kami datang happy, la 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 la. We plant baby tree, la la la, for us all, la la la. Untuk bumi, untuk semua, la 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 la. Little gloves and we are ready, la 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 la. The next is slowly, slowly, la 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 la. Gali sikit. FDS akan jaga baby tree, grow them strong and tall, pindah ke dalam hutan, a home for one and all.
Water also. Yeah, thank you much. Baby tree. Baby tree. Thank you. Now we are going to do our next activity, which is the leaf stamping.
For the earth we care, for FDS we trust. Little leaves start dancing, we know it's happy. Satu janji bersama, we care for our land. Hari ini besok tinggi, besok rimbun, a baby tree. Today a giant guardian soon. Kami jaga, kami sayang, we grow it with our hands. Untuk bumi, untuk semua, for all across the land.
It's from Forest Department Sarawak. So she will show you how to plant a tree. So what we need is
across the land.